Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Dr. Bushra Shahzad. Today we are going to discuss continue biosynthesis of the nutritionally non-essential amino acids. Glycine biosynthesis. The important mammalian route for glycine biosynthesis includes the biosynthesis of glycine from glyoxylate and glutamate or alanine. The biosynthesis of glycine from choline. The biosynthesis of glycine from serine. The biosynthesis of glycine from threonine. Glycine biosynthesis from glyoxylate occur by reaction of glyoxylate and glutamate or alanine. The reaction is catalyzed by glycine aminotransferase. Unlike most aminotransferases reaction, these strongly favor glycine synthesis. Glycine is formed from threonine by action of threonine aldolase, which convert threonine into glycine and acetaldehyde. Serine is converted into glycine by serine hydroxymethyltransferase, as we have already discussed. And we will discuss glycine biosynthesis from choline in coming slides. Choline dehydrogenase catalyzes the dehydrogenation of choline to betaine aldehyde. Betaine aldehyde is subsequently converted to betaine, an important methyl donor for the synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. This oxidation of betaine aldehyde to betaine is catalyzed by betaine dehydrogenase. In next reaction, betaine, by donating a methyl group to homocysteine in the presence of the enzyme betaine homocysteine N-methyl transferase, producing methionine and dimethylglycine. This is so-called folate independent remethylation. Now the dimethylglycine dehydrogenase catalyzes the demethylation of dimethylglycine to sarcosine with the removal of formaldehyde. This is oxidation demethylation of dimethylglycine to sarcosine. Finally, sarcosine is oxidatively demethylated to glycine with removal of formaldehyde, and the reaction is catalyzed by sarcosine dehydrogenase from glutamate. Glutamate is phosphorylated to glutamate gamma phosphate. The reaction is catalyzed by glutamate 5 kinase. The phosphate group is donated by ATP. NADPH dependent reduction of glutamate gamma phosphate with removal of inorganic phosphate results in the formation of glutamate gamma semialdehyde. The reaction is catalyzed by glutamate gamma semialdehyde dehydrogenase. Glutamate gamma semialdehyde spontaneously cyclized into delta 1 pyrroline 5 carboxylate. Finally, delta 1 pyrroline 5 carboxylate is converted into proline in NADPH dependent reduction catalyzed by delta 1 pyrroline 5 carboxylate reductase. Conversion of homocysteine and serine to homoserine and cysteine. Cysteine is formed from methionine. Methionine and ATP is converted to S-adenosyl methionine, which is methyl donor. After donating methyl group, it is converted into S-adenosyl homocysteine and finally into homocysteine. Now homocysteine and serine forms cystathionine in a reaction catalyzed by cystathionine beta synthetase. The hydrolysis of cystathionine forms cysteine and homoserine. This reaction is catalyzed by cystathionine lyase. Sulfur of cysteine derives from methionine and carbon skeleton derived from serine. It's all about today's lecture, and thank you very much. Sources of lecture are the Harper, mainly from the Harper and the Lippincott.